Sorry, close it.
Go back. Yeah. Save this. And run the
Sorry.
graph. Save and run the graph. Okay. So since we have 5 records in input file 1, the expected output is 5 records. We don't get more than that. Okay. And open the second input also.
Okay.
Open the second input. So you got the correct desired result.
When we this time what we have done, like we use the explicit, and it was left outer join, right?
Yes.
Left outer join means all the records from the first file and corresponding matching records from file 2, and other records we are ignoring from file 2.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, because in file 2 we have a record called 51 that was not coming here. This record number 5.
Okay.
So okay, so this time if we if we do the reverse,
Okay.
and if we keep both false, then Kartike.
Yeah, I will
It
get
is
back to that
confusion.
later. Yeah, I will get back to that
Okay.
later. Have you experienced a right outer join? Yeah. So we have 6 records. Open all the input data side by side so we can check the records. 3 data.
We can we look from here directly?
Drag it down. Okay. That's it. The output file. So now, since we have provided right outer join, all the records from your 6 records, that is all that is present there will be there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 4. If we have a match for 6, then all your records, other fields. So you are selecting name from there, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 4. For 1, you don't have a corresponding name. So you are getting null there. For other fields, you are getting the correct names.
Yes.
Okay. Now keep this windows the same. Go back, click the graph outside. Yeah. You can work on your graphs directly without closing these windows. Now, okay. You experienced full outer join, and
Yes.
are you clear with the output?
This was
Records? Yeah.
previously whatever we did here with the explicit join type, the same we have achieved with outer join. Okay, full outer join.
No, I'm not getting you. Full outer join means you will get all the records from
both files.
Both files. Okay.
And null for the non-matching records.
Yes. Okay. Good. So
then
now I have a question for you. Yeah. Yes. Sorry.
Similarly, we have got the same result when we have made these changes. That is right outer join, right?
Yeah, but you cannot say like they are same, because full outer, it means matching records as well as all the other records from both files. So if it is
Okay,
left
okay.
outer from one file, right outer from the other file. Okay.
Okay, okay, I got it. Exactly, both have exactly these two have same. This input file one has all records which file two have. That's why I don't experience it. Okay, I got it.
Okay. Okay. Now, if you keep both as false, what will happen?
Mm-hmm.
Or both is true? Let's try that. We are asking records to be required on both ports. So what will happen? What type of join will occur here?
It will be
Can you
full outer
guess?
join. It will be full outer join.
Full outer join? Okay, let's check. Run the graph and check.
Why I guessed it? Because if we make it true, that means all records from file 1. When we
Mm-hmm.
make it true, second one, then all records from file 2. So it
Mm-hmm.
makes, that means it is full outer join if we are taking
Okay,
records from one.
okay, okay. Let's check.
So like increase some data, no, no,
One
no.
second. Yeah, you have already opened the window, right?
Okay. Yes.
Just refresh the window. What type of join you have got here? Is it full outer or some other thing?
It's your left outer join.
Get, get the input data, two data. Check what type of join you have got. Yeah. 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, 9 is there, 4 is there.
Mm-hmm. So it's left outer
Is
join.
it
We
full
have
outer
all.
join?
No, no, no.
Okay.
It's
What you have
left
got
outer
is
join.
left outer? No. Left outer
We
means
have
where is, no, since
all
you have
the.
only, oh, okay. It's not left outer join actually happening. Actually, it's inner join. You get all the matching records. If you are
1 second,
setting it,
Karthik.
yeah,
I just want to change the data here.
okay, sure. So, run the graph and you can refresh the files, the windows. So the graph is completed. Tracking that's it. Refresh your input files. Which file you have changed?
So these two are non-matching records. That's why it has not come. So when we made true,
Yeah.
it acted as inner join.
Yes. This is an interview question. So when you use explicit join and when you set both the record repair parameters at true, what type of join will happen?
Inner join. Okay. And we
Okay.
don't have this option as default. Like we can only achieve through explicit join, right?
No, it's the inner join, right? Inner join, we have the option.
Yeah.
Don't confuse yourself. So we have three types of join. First one is inner join. We get all the matching, okay? And
Mm-hmm.
second one is full outer join. We get the matching records as well as other records from your both input fields. That is full outer join. And third one is
Mm-hmm.
explicit join. Either we can do a left outer or a right outer. Okay? And
Mm-hmm.
to perform this left outer and right outer, we have two parameters. Record required 0 and record required 1. In that, if you make both that parameters as true, then it will behave as inner join.
Mm.
Okay. And let's check what happens if you make both the parameters as false. Can you guess what will be the output?
It
See,
should
in
be
the
full.
in the parameter itself, it's specifying, right? Use null for missing records. Where you will use nulls.
It will be full outer join, null for non-matching records.
Yes. Run the graph and check. Refresh the output file. Yeah. Same. You got it right. 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. We have a match. 0. We have name only. The other fields we have got null. 449, same thing. So 51, that's from the second file. So we don't have ID and name here. Since you have handled the ID by in the transform function, we are getting the ID from first file and name it's null. So the other things you are getting. Okay?
Yes, okay.
Okay.
Okay, Karthik, I would just recall everything in brief, what we did here. Like in join, we have three options. One is inner join, okay, where only matching record will come. Second is outer join, where matching, non-matching record will come and null will be populated for non-matching records.
Yeah.
Okay. For explicit, we have two options. And if explicit, if we make the both parameters true, it's inner join. If we make false, it's outer join. Okay. And other two options what we have, like if we make one true, like first true and second false, then it will be left outer join.
Okay.
And if we make second true and first false, it will be our right outer join.
Yes. Yes, you are
Correct?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fine.
And let's take the other case studies. Or you want to try some
Uh,
other parameters?
yes, yes. I wanted to just finish everything from the join. Like I should not have
Okay.
any more confusion. This I have already explored. In key, I can mention 2 and 3 keys to join, right?
Yes. Yes, you can.
Okay. And Karthike, here, if I just say, in Oracle, we normally do suppose we have table A and table B.
Yes.
I
I'm
don't
able
know
to
why.
see.
You can see it, no? Okay,
Yeah.
fine. We have two files, and suppose this is the same file we are handling. Then we do it like a dot empid to b dot empid.
Okay.
It's our left outer join, right?
Yes.
In Oracle. If we make it like this, it's our full outer join, correct?
Yeah.
it's our inner join, correct?
Okay.
Okay. But if we have two columns, say the same here, if we have if we are joining on EMP ID and say DOB. It's hypothetical situation, but just for understanding, I'm just asking.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this kind of join, it's possible to achieve here. Like I wanted full outer join on one column and inner join on second column.
No, yeah. I think no.
We cannot.
Yeah. You're asking in Oracle or Initio here?
In Oracle, it's possible. In Ab Initio also.
No, no. You have selected a key and you want to perform a single join. You cannot perform two joins at once. You want to do that, perform the first join and then perform the second join next. So there will be two join components.
Okay. But
Okay.
Karthike, we okay, that is one solution. But how we will handle once we have joined the two files, okay, the
Okay.
data will be coming in a single flow, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now from this single flow, how would I again join it?
You have to create the second file again, right? If you want to join at the basic sense, you're going to join two input flows. So you have joined first, so join the two input flows and got a single output. Again, if you want to join with another input flow, get that input flow again.
We can do like this, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, okay,
So
fine.
it depends upon the requirement whether you want to join again.
Okay. But that's not possible in a single join. What I just expected,
No.
right? Okay, okay, Karthik. We can move to the next.
Okay. So for the other two case studies, getting this every fifth record and getting a percentage of the records. What component you are trying to use?
The component that came in my mind
Okay.
that was in transform. Sorry, it's not transform. Your reformat component I was just trying to use, but I didn't get idea like can we achieve it.
Okay. We can achieve this using sequence generator. So the basic approach is
Which
getting the
component?
sequence of records. So wherever you can use your sequence, because basically these two case studies you want to reduce the number of output records, correct? So if you get that means you are going to do a filter, right? Yeah. So use your sequence generator in the filter by expression component to limit the number of records. You can, I already told you, you can use the sequence generator along with any calculations. So try if you can do that. Yes, get the same input file, the first file, make a copy and then single file.
Filter by expression, it will only accept a single input file.
Yes, try to join.
Sorry.
Try to put the second input flow there. No, no, I'm asking, try to connect a second flow in the same port. Yes, you can. So wherever you have, if you mouse over within the input port, if you get a gather, so now we have specified this. Okay, get a filter by expression new component from the organizer.
Sorry?
Get a new filter by expression component from the organizer. Yeah. Mouse over near the input port. It's coming like gather, right? No?
It's coming like a plus sign, like we can have multiple input flow here.
It will come like gather. Get a sort
Gather.
component here. Yeah. Get a sort component here. No, I'm not able to see. That's what I'm asking you to check. Mouse over near the input port. So it's not coming. Okay. Wherever you will get, so it will be like open brace. That is the open square bracket, colon, gather written all over it. So wherever you will have this, you can connect multiple input flows. Okay.
That thing
Not
is not coming here.
Yeah, it's not visible here. You can check in your office, right?
Mm-hmm.
Get a sort component. To try to mouse over near your input port. It will come like in gather. So wherever you have this gather input, the gather is a departition component used to collect multiple incoming flows, right? And convert it into a series. So wherever you have gather port, there you can use multiple input flows. Okay.
Yes.
Now here, first try with the single input flow and try to get the every fifth record in your output. Remove the two components and the second input file here.
We can deselect it, right?
Yeah, disable. Okay.
No.
Click again. Just right click that component and disable. Okay. Now inside the filter by expression. So how will you generate your sequence?
We have in next in sequence function here.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I will guide you through this. Okay. Click edit. Okay. Okay. I have a question for you. How nesting sequence works? So what values it will give for the incoming records, so that you can get the answer. I want to get the answer from you. That's what.
Next in sequence, what it returns, right?
Yes.
It will start with value 1 and it will keep increasing by 1 till last record.
Till last record. So if you have 10 records, what will be the output for next sequence for every record?
It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. It will return for 1 to 10. Okay.
Yeah,
so if we want to get every fifth record out of my input flow, so what should I do now? Think now.
I will have to
this sequence. Yeah.
Yeah.
And you have to filter only the fifth record and 10th record, right? Suppose, okay. Consider like we have 10 input records and you want to get every third flow, the third record. So how will you get 3, 6, 9? You have to select only 3, 6, 9, right?
Yes, Karthik.
Every third record, yeah.
Yeah, I think we will have to use some mathematical function here. Like we will have to divide the sequence, and if the remainder is 0, only those records you will select.
Exactly. Next in sequence, it's available in miscellaneous. Don't always go for this. Try to memorize some functions. Yeah. Now, so this, whatever you have given now, this will return 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay. So you have to limit the number of rows.
Yes.
So that you will get the correct output.
You want me to limit the number of records,
Yeah, that's
right?
what I wanted to get every third record. So how filter condition works here? So for whatever the condition I'm giving, if it returns 1, then that record is selected, right? So I have to make this function return 1 for third record, right? Mm. How will you divide and get you a remainder? There is an operator for that. What is that operator? To get your reminders.
This is what I'm just.
Your approach is correct. So if I'm dividing 6 by 3, I will get reminders 0, right? Yeah, how will you get that remainder value instead of the quotient value? You have to use modulus operator. Modulus operator is percentage symbol.
Okay, we don't need to use the functions, right?
I think no. Which function you are trying to use?
I was
It's a
just
simple
looking at it.
calculation bit. With next in sequence, modulus 3. Okay.
It's equals to it should return 1 if my remainder is 0, right?
Mm.
Then we don't need to use if condition.
It's upon your logic. Whether you can use if or you
Not
cannot.
required.
Double equal to. So what you have given, try to think the logic again. You are dividing by 3 and then you are returning. So this modulus will return the remainder. Okay. I will tell you what will happen for the first record so that you can guess the output.
No,
For
one second, Karthik.
Yeah.
Here, this calculation will return the remainder, right?
Where? If you can tell me one by
Here.
one.
Okay.
So for the first record, yeah.
It's 1 ampersand 3. Okay.
Okay.
It's
one
not.
modulus 3 will give.
It will be null value.
Yeah. Yeah. I think it will give 0. I guess. I'm not sure. Okay.
We will check. So if we come to the third.
Okay.
If we come to the third record, that is the valid scenario here.
Okay.
Okay. So third byte reminder is our remainder is 0 here. Okay.
Okay.
So the outcome of
Whether
this function is 0.
okay. Whether
So
0 is
it
equal to
should
1.
be okay. Now it's fine. Okay, it's okay.
Okay. Change the output file name so we will not mess up with that join file name. Yeah. Filter every nth record. File name.